Ke Kilan met markeliang hapadeng ke perton Shipai India bat Shipai Thailand ke belane Shibanai kenthi kelekut no ha ke khatsan terik unai lor ha Ktem Shipai ha Rangmen Riboy district. Hakini ki sau tayau ki perton Shipai ke India bat Thailand ki lapelong bon ki jingye kun parlok hamadan thma ban pentebet ye ki but ye le thma markeliang. Nalor ki jingi kai ye le thma jong kani kejok kini artli ki perton Shipai ki lapelong ru ye ki jingi kop ye le kai football, basketball, volleyball bat ki jingi pen I bor met ha ki jingi kun tan telai. Ki pen I ru ye la ki dustur ki riti de ki jing shat, ki jing put, ki jing tem, ki jing ruai ba ki jing power ba bonjat. Hakini ki sau tayo ki Shipai India ki la yo jing start na ki Shipai Thailand kum ju ru ki Shipai Thailand ki la yo na ki Shipai India.
किया जाता है ये यूएसए की पोलारिस कंपनी द्वारा बनाई गई है
This is used for generally for the small team operations. Small team can आराम से समझाओ एक क्या है और थोड़ा 9 mm MP9 SMG means sub mission gun MP.
When we are going for some operation, so when we close with the enemy, that time this weapon is generally used in close.
site used in day.
Of Ramadan. This performance demonstrates the warrior's art in ancient times, balancing beauty and precision, grace and power. Each movement is designed not only for performance but also a true martial technique. ศิลปะการแสดงนี้ถูกเรียกว่ารำดาบเป็นการแสดงถึงศิลปะการต่อสู้ของนักรบในสมัยโบราณที่ผสมผสานความงดงามความแม่นยำและพละกำลังไว้ด้วยกันทุกท่วงท่าในการแสดงรำดาบนี้ไม่ได้สร้างขึ้นเพื่อการแสดงเท่านั้นแต่ยังเป็นท่าทางการต่อสู้จริงอีกด้วย
which has not only tested our skills and capabilities, but has also deepened the bonds of friendship and cooperation between the two great nations. I would like to. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I stand before you to congratulate each and every one of you on the remarkable achievement of completion of the 14 days joint exercise. This exercise has been a great learning experience for us, and I'm sure the Royal Thai Army contingent too would have benefited equally. The discipline, professionalism and camaraderie displayed by both the contingents during the exercise further deepened our friendship and bond harmony. Throughout the exercise, we have demonstrated our unwavering commitment to combat terrorism, a global menace that threatens the peace and security of our region and the world at large. Together, as two nations united by a common purpose, we have showcased our determination to stand up against those who seek to destabilize and harm our societies. The 14th edition of this exercise has successfully concluded today at Umroi, achieving all desired goals. The exercise, which commenced on 1st September, aimed at building and promoting positive military relations between India and Thailand. The joint training schedule covered a wide spectrum of activities to include physical training, firing, battle drills, tactical exercises, all of which resulted in better understanding of each other. 14th edition of Exercise Maitri, like previous editions, had an encouraging outcome, with both armies gaining from each other's vast experience. The degree of synergy and interoperability between the Indian Army and Royal Thai Army has increased manifold at the technical level, which will ensure peace and stability in the region. I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the dedicated soldiers who participated in this exercise. Your professionalism, discipline, and unwavering focus on the task has been truly commendable. You have proven that when nations come together with shared objective, there is no challenge too great to overcome. During our time together, we have not only honed our military skills, but have also forged lasting friendship. The camaraderie and mutual respect that we have developed over the course of this exercise are just as significant as the technical knowledge that we have gained. The relation will serve the foundation for even stronger cooperation in future. As we return to our respective cantonments, let us carry with us the valuable lessons learned here. I also extend my gratitude to Major General Maitri
Sergeant Jirutapong Yuya, Naik Sajid KB, best firer in ambidextrous shooting. Shipai Venkatesh in sniper shooting.